What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can disable this Superhuman Go by Grammarly on your Google browser. So let's go ahead and get started. So at first I thought this is a new Google update, but it turns out that it is actually a Grammarly update. So Grammarly recently rebranded as Superhuman Go, and as a part of that update or rebrand, this is the new feature that they added, this little helper AI assistant right here. So the way that we can disable this is not by just clicking this and just selecting this. It is actually by just going to your Grammarly browser or browser extension and just ticking this off right here. So as you can see now it's off, but I can still retain the usual writing suggestions that Grammarly offers. I just turned off this AI assistant right here. So essentially, that's guys how you can disable this Superhuman Go AI assistant, and from now on it won't be appearing in any Google session that you may start.